welcome you to MCM Midrand. We are here at Bieliemielie Expo on the last day, Saturday the 28th of Feb on stand B16. I want to show you a little bit about the MS33, the compact Skidsteer. As you can see, it's got a trencher on here. It's got an 18.8 kilowatt Kubota engine. So this is a very compact machine that you can load on a trailer and get multiple jobs done. As you can see there's a grapple attachment. You can put a sweeper, you can put many attachments on this machine. So I want to demonstrate a little bit on the trencher. So as you can see there, it's just on idling, and that's the speed that's turning. So I'm going to rev it up a little bit more. As you can see, it's a very easy operating machine. That's where I stand on, checking my machine, taking my transfer. This is my control for forward, reverse, sides, left and right. This is for my trencher going up and down and tilting. And then this is to lock my trencher to start trenching, the hydraulics. And that's the start with your ref. So it's very simple. Lifting, tilting, and then this is my steer. So as easy as that. I've got one hand operating the machine. Very compact, robust Kubota engine with a safety fixture, cuts off the machine. Easy accessibility to check your water, your filters, your diesel. Contact us today to get your compact skid steer on your stand to start trenching your sites.